Hello. So in this video, we shall look at the POS offline module for multi-branch POS. So currently, we are connected on internet. So this one shows us that we are connected on internet and we have no pending orders. So we are going to switch off our internet. So here, you are offline. Sales will be saved locally and saved automatically when your connection returns. So let us search for something to sell. We want maybe sugar. We want that. We want maize. We want this. We want this. We want this. We want this. Okay. Then we can also apply some discount if we wish. Maybe want a 5% discount. Apply. The discount will be applied here. So once we confirm everything is okay, we can complete the order by cash or multiple pay. If it's multiple, we tap on multiple pay. So let us use cash. So cash. So let us make another one. Is this one, this, and this. Then we complete the pay transaction. So when you check here, we have two offline sales pending internet restoration. So let us go and restore internet. So let us go and turn on our internet. So and the transactions have been synced automatically. Okay. So that's how our POS offline module works. Thank you very much.